What's going on, rodders? Welcome back to the Scare Rodder Collective YouTube channel. I recently completed this custom 1950 Chevy 3100 pickup, so let's go ahead and get on into it. So first and foremost, even though we have a kit box of the truck, it is not exactly this kit that I built this with. This is just the box that the kit was put in. I got this kit in a trade. I traded a kit for a few other kits. So here it says custom for headlight front end, and the hood is missing. That's why the kit does not have a hood. This kit was just pieced together and put inside this box. So when it comes down to the 4 headlight conversion, I'm not going to take credit for it. As the box said, it already was done to this kit. I just put it together and finished it. The kit was not painted or anything. It was just bare styrene. So I did have to make some modifications to the grill. I had to cut a little bit of this section out right here with my nippers, and it fit in pretty good. Normally this would just have a single headlight, kind of like the box kit where it has the one round hole. And the instructions I used was these that was in the box for the 50 Chevy Street Machine AMT. So older release of this kit, but it's all the same instructions, so we was able to put it together. The only thing that was my idea was these wheels. I got out of a different kit. It was a parts kit, and I took the wheels out of it, and I wasn't really sure what I was going to put these wheels on. But after I got this truck in the trade and I got home, I was thinking it would look really good on this, so that's what I did. The only wheels I had was the alternate version of the wheels. On this kit, it shows like a steely with a hubcap. I did not have those, so I'll go ahead and show you the wheels I did have. For the wheel options, it had these right here. I didn't really like these wheels. The other option that was also available was this style of rims right here. And like I said, I didn't really like neither of those, so I went with this. It's a bit bigger, beefier rim and a bigger wheel. And my son is actually building this same exact kit. He got the 3 packs of the hot trucks that has this same exact 1950 Chevy 3100 in it. So here's his wheels, and I actually took these ones and did a little trade with him. Even though I don't really like this style of rim, he liked this style of wheel better, so that's why there's the wheel back on there already, because he's gonna build it with this. So he started that a couple days ago. I'm not sure when he's gonna get finished with it, but should be pretty cool. So since he's building the same truck, you can kind of see how the front end would normally look. Figure go ahead and grab it so I can show you guys. Just be a round single headlight, and this part was just cut out to fit this style of headlight. So you can kind of see above where they cut. They did a really good job, and it looks really good, so pretty cool custom. As you see, I didn't detail the bed or anything. I just left it. So that is a wood bed, but I didn't paint it. For the colors, I painted it with this Gravity Colors USA McLaren Victory Gray. It's like a gray blue. And the interior is also Gravity Colors USA, which this company is no longer around anymore. The USA version, they only have the Gravity Colors, and I believe it is in Brazil. So you can still get these colors. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna take a little bit to get it shipped to you. So this is the interior series, and it's the ivory leather interior. And that's what I did the interior with, just the seat and the steering wheel. So you can see I matched the motor to the body color. And then for the handles and the Chevy emblem on the tailgate, I just used a marker. So you can see I went out of the letters just a little bit, but this tailgate does move. It does open and close. So pretty cool. And all the black that you see on the running boards and inside the motor and the firewall and even the interior is just Tamiya lacquer black. So I think this kit went together pretty good. I got this kit on a Saturday, so it is now Tuesday. So I kind of built it pretty fast, but I didn't really do anything crazy. Like I didn't put any pipes on the bottom or anything. So it's just the frame. So I didn't detail anything super crazy. The only thing is I don't have 2 clear glass lenses to put in here, so I didn't put any. I have 1 set of clear lenses. I could probably dig around and maybe get another. If I think I might have some in my parts, but I'm not too sure. But I just went ahead and left them off since I don't think I have another set right now. So, but I do have a few extra chrome pieces from this kit. So there was 2 shifters and 2 valve covers and 2 air cleaners and stuff. Another thing that was a part of the kit is this piece right here. I'm not sure what you'd call it, but I believe it goes up here on the roof, but it was already painted. I didn't feel like stripping it or anything, so I just didn't put it on there. But all in all, it's a pretty nice kit, I think. I think it came out looking pretty good for a minimum details and everything. This is my 2nd truck I've ever built besides the semi truck. So this is my first truck for my shelf. So like I said, I think the 4 headlight conversion is pretty cool. And I think it came out looking pretty good. I like the color I went with. And I think the wheels match the look of the truck pretty good. Like I said, it is a beefier rim and wheels than what would normally be stock for this truck. So I'm pretty happy that I was able to get it under there and get them on the axle. Did get some glue on the glass a little bit, but not too worried about it. It's not a show build or anything, but give you guys some ideas if you guys want to do this in the future to any of your trucks. I'm sure it sparked some ideas for some people. Not sure, like I said, I'm not sure who did the original conversion, but I think I did it justice, and hopefully if the person's seen it, they would think it's pretty cool. They would like the way I kind of went with their idea and everything. So that's all I have for you on this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys think this build's pretty cool and you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe. It's 100% free to do so. And leave a comment down below if you wish. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.